Okay, so what's up everyone? So today I'm going to talk about investing with IQ options, or which is called binary option, and we will talking what is the best strategy of this year 2020 to trade with binary option, especially on IQ options. So I find out 1 minute trading in this strategy with using 2 moving average and including with the parabolic SAR. I find out that this is the best strategy that we can use in trading 1 minute binary options. Let me show you how is it best. Before we going into detail, we will look into our history of the graph that is happening. So my indicators that I'm going to use is the blue moving average and also the red moving average. So these two lines give me the signals when every time these lines are crossing each other's. So it will tell me the signs of buy and sell. For example, if the blue one crossing down the red line, so this is the signal that in the next candle coming you will buy, you will be sell. And if the blue lines crossing up directions, so it is the buy signals. So is that simple? Okay, maybe you don't, or maybe you don't believe me, but look into this history. Every time that these two lines crossing each other's, it's amazingly you make almost 80% to 90% correct. Look at that. This is crossing high. We make the correct one. Maybe this one is crossing down, but you make the wrong one. That's fine, because the next one we make it right. And maybe this one's when it's crossing up, maybe you mistake this one, the small one, because the dodgy one, and you make the next one is right. So that's a good one too. This one, the first candle right here, and then the next one was just going so low down, so that also one of the right one. So you can look into the whole history of this graph, so you can see this go on, and most of them are 80% correct. So if you can make 80% of this correct, so you will make money in this market. Okay, so let me show you how I will make money. So in this case, so I will invest $10 on my first bet. So I will go $10 on my first bet right here. Let me wait for the line to crossing each others, and then my $10 bet will go. It's $10 here, $10. So I put $10 here. So just, be ready when the line crossing each others, we will make our prediction. Okay, so the time's moving on, and the only thing that we need to do is to sit and wait for the signals to arise. Okay guys, so now we have this blue line crossing each others, and we will go $10 on the downtrends. So that's what we are waiting for. We're waiting for the blue line crossing with the red line. When it's crossing down or crossing up, so this is where we buy. This is the signal that we're going to use in my videos. I hope that these techniques will help you to make profit from binary option. You can use my techniques in any kind of platform that you want to use, or you can also using it in Forex. If you are the traders in Forex, so you use that with Forex, and long term it make you a lot of profits right here. You see that any progress has been made. So no problem. So when this is not right, so in binary option, especially in IQ option, you have a chance to multiply by 2.5, and you're waiting for the blue signal to cross that again, and you will go down. So I will wait for that to cross again, and this I will go for $25 on the next bet. Okay, so I will wait for this one to finish. If it seems like, you know, the buying power is slowing down and the blue is already crossing down, this is the good chance to win too. So I will wait. I'll wait for this one to finish first. Okay, so we will check the green right here. I think the green is almost time to go down already, so I will go down. Look at the green here, is like the buy power is going, you know, to lose right here, and then the sell power is gaining. So when this power are gaining, and then the line will tell you the signal that it is going to crossings, overlapping each others. That is how it is. That's simple, right? So we will wait for this to finish, and we will find out if I am right or if I am wrong. 3, 2, 1. Yes. So we make money in the next bet. Actually, if I wish, I will continue to make on the low bet. Why? Because the sell powers still gaining its powers of the going downs. If the green one manages to climb and breaking these lines, so it will break high. So this one I will be lost for sure. And it is on an up, because it is in the situation called ups directions. So it's really possible to get into the next one with the up direction too. It's pretty awesome right here. So it is on up direction. I will go to the up direction. And especially it break the what we call that the support line on the top, or the resistance line on the top. So it's really possible that the market's going to move higher and higher. So in this case, that's why I invest one more times on my next bet, multiplied by 2.5. Then I will gain my profit back from the loss of $10 in the beginning. So we wait for this to finish, and here we go. So this is pretty simple techniques that you can apply it in any kinds of trading platform, whether you use it in Forex, whether you use it with binary option, either expert options, Olympus option, or IQ options. This indicators is really promising profits to what I have found so far. So look at that. Look at the history of this graph right here. So anytime that these two moving average crossing each other, it's always telling you the signal to sell and to buy. And the best way to buy it safe is you playing in the direction of the market. For example, if the market is moving up, so I think the best way is you you wait for our moving average to tell you that it's moving up, and then you buy it. And if the market is moving down, and then you're just waiting for our 2 lines of moving average give you the signal of sell, and then you sell. So that's all for now. So leave the comment down below if you find this technique is helpful in your trading, and don't forget to subscribe if you like these videos. Thank you. Bye bye.